This is how our pantry looked originally, with metal shelves from the builder. And we just couldn't wait to renovate this and put in thicker wood shelves, and also cabinets from Home Depot. The cabinets that we installed are actually the pre-finished from Home Depot. They're not the unfinished ones, so they're a little on the expensive side. And the shelves themselves are built with a 2x2 frame, and then we put a 1x3 face on that baseboard. On top there's a 1/2-inch plywood that is nailed down and glued. On the bottom there's a 1/4-inch plywood of the shelf, and that's also glued down and nailed. We wanted to have a floating shelf that had no supports under it, which is not easy to do. So we made sure that the 2x2s were secured into the studs with 3.5-inch construction screws. And wherever on the sides where the shelves attached, we basically put toggle bolts, heavy-duty toggle bolts, to make sure that everything was secure. The end product of these shelves is there, very strong, and we can easily put gallons of water on or anything we need to store. Also in the construction, I chose to use heavy-duty L brackets for added support. So right here we're just doing some demo. We're taking down the metal shelves, taking off the floor moldings. I am patching the holes. I always prefer to use regular drywall compound, rather than the patching products that are out there. I just find that this works better. You might have to put this on several times, sanding in between until it gets you have a smooth finish basically, and you're ready to paint. Here's where we're actually installing the 2x2s. We're making sure everything's level. And we are basically, going to find the studs to secure the 2x2s to the wall. We also wanted to make sure we had enough spacing in between the shelves so we could, fit everything we need to fit. And here is the toggle bolts I put on the sides where I didn't have a beam. These are heavy-duty toggle bolts, and they are extremely strong when fastened properly. Here you could actually see the plywood that we bought from Home Depot. We bought both 1/2-inch plywood and also 1/4-inch plywood, and we bought it in the 2x2 sheets. 2x4 sheets, which were enough for our corner pantry. Here you can see the heavy-duty L brackets that are attaching to the 2x2 frame. And then we're putting on the 1/2-inch plywood. I'm actually fastening the 1/2-inch plywood on top right now with an 18-gauge brad nailer. This is a battery operated brad nailer that we bought from Home Depot. And here we are just getting wood patch and filling up the seams. So So we're gonna fill the seams, and then we're gonna sand this down. And we are actually gonna be painting the shelves white, and the bottom shelf on top of the cabinets we're actually gonna paint gray to look like a countertop. We've also added some technology into our pantry renovation. We have a light on the ceiling, a LED light we installed with a switch where it comes on automatically. We have a couple LED lights that are going to be under the first shelf to illuminate the countertop. Because after we put it together, we realized that the bottom shelf was just a little dark, so we figured we would add lights there at least. And that seems to be working out well. Here you can see details of the framing. Now I'm getting ready I'm building a base for the cabinets. I designed the base so it actually has a toe kick area underneath the cabinets, similar to how you would have it in your kitchen cabinets. Once again, these are the pre-finished cabinets from Home Depot. Saves a lot of, this really saved us a lot of time not having to worry about painting this. These come in white and gray. We've used these also in the laundry room in our house. They work great. They're definitely better, a little bit better quality, I think, than the unfinished cabinets that they sell. Here you can see the cabinets are in place, and our shelves are put together and ready for painting. We just have to install the last boards on the countertop. We wanted to have the upper shelves white, and the walls in our pantry are going to be gray. So this is a lot more time consuming to paint the walls a different color than the shelves. But the result at the end, I think, is great. So we're taping. We are going to caulk every seam, and then we are going to get ready to paint. We are painting the walls with a high quality scrubbable paint. We will actually put all the materials in the comments, links to all the materials. The shelves are actually going to be painted with more durable acrylic paint, since you're going to have products like cans on there. And here the walls are painted a gray, and now we're getting ready to paint the shelves white, the upper shelves. So we have light gray on the walls. The upper shelves are going to be white, and the countertop is going to be a darker gray. I think we ended up putting about 3 coats of paint on these shelves. It is unfinished wood, so it's really going to need the extra coats of paint for sure. So these shelves, at this point in time, the shelves have been caulked and they've also been sanded to a 220 fine grit sandpaper for a very, very smooth surface, so it'll really take the paint and you'll end up with very smooth shelves and countertop. And like I said, it was definitely a lot more work painting the shelves and the walls, 2 different colors, but the result is just is great. And here's the countertop. You can see it's all sanded. And it is also ready for paint. So we're using a darker gray acrylic paint. We're going to put 3 coats on. It's definitely going to be more durable. We decided at the last minute really to paint this dark gray as the countertop. We were going to stain it. We did some test staining in the garage with different pieces of wood, and we just didn't like the results. So we decided to go with the dark gray paint. And as you can see, the finished result is just amazing. It's hard for us to believe that this is our pantry. We really like the way it came out, and we really enjoy it every day. You see, we have the under cabinet lights that come on automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please watch our other videos.